Good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is now Monday afternoon. You haven't seen the last vlog from yesterday from the party. Videos now in previous videos. Plans for today are going to visit family. So yeah, it's a windy and rainy Monday outside today. So I think I'm going to call this vlog a windy and rainy Monday because it is a windy and rainy Monday. So yeah. So I'll probably be leaving here about 5:30. Time is just after 4:30. So we'll check interviews in the car. So let's get this very late start to this Monday start.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love.
Let's have seen the next day. I'm gonna end this vlog from yesterday now. So if you like this vlog from yesterday, hit like, subscribe to my channel. Till today, thanks for watching.